Hey guys, Gucci King here, back again with another tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to edit eans and animations through xmlization. This method can be used to add completely new animations into a ean where you may not be able to do a completely new animation, so you get a new animation index, or you can delete them, or you can be very specific in the bones that you edit. For example, today I've got Janembers, and on Janemba he has facial animations, as you can see here. Now, what I'm going to be doing today is deleting his facial animation and replacing this arm's animation with Goku Black's. Now, this animation's already been edited. I've deleted all the other animations because you get very big files in full eans. Most people will be fine. For me, it's a bit slow, but it's bearable. You just have to be a bit patient. As you can see, the XML document for this one is 2,500. On a full EN, it will be around 30,000. To get the XML document, you'll need olganix's xenoxml converter and simply drag the EN that you want to edit into it. You'll get the XML document straight away, and then you can start editing. Here I've practiced Ean. This is just based on a skill Ean with Goku Black's animations put in there. This is to make it smaller, easier to edit. It shouldn't be too much of an issue, just remember that you may need to be a bit more patient with bigger files. So, when I go into this, you'll see this. It'll be a lot to take in, but there's an easy way to do it. Just press Alt on your keyboard, then press 0, and then you're going to have this. It'll be minimized. You can open this up, it'll be minimized more. Then you can open up the Ean animation section, which is what we want. As you can see, we have the Janemba base stand. You want to open that, open Ean animation nodes, and it will give you the bones. Now, when you look in the bones, you can look at the different keyframes, the different movements, the different rotations, all that kind of stuff. And it's helpful. It's helpful, but most of the time you won't need this. You want to be doing that stuff in Blender, really. But what we're doing today is deleting the facial animations. So what you want to do is you want to look through the list here. Animations in the face use the FL bones, so as you can see here. So we'll start from here. So what you want to do is you want to select this, scroll down until you get to here, which is the end of it. Shift, click the end, and you'll get this. Now, you can delete it like this, but then you're left with this. So what you want to do is select the end of here, select the end of here, Control C to copy, then select here, Control V to paste. You'll get this again. So you go through it, Alt 0, open it up, Ean animations, this, go down to here, and you'll see it's nice and neat. So what you have to do now is Control S to save, minimize this, and drag it back into the xenoxml converter. There you go. So now we'll need to reload this in. You just need to test this, so we can just drag Janemba in, put all his models onto the ESK, and then drag the animation in. Now, when you'll notice how his face does not move at all now. His head will move with the position, but you can see that we successfully removed any form of facial animations. This is helpful when you may be putting an Ean onto another character and their face will mess up because of facial animations, and you can delete it this way and it'll be fine. Such as Vegito, I think Vegito Blue, There are quite a few characters that have it, and if you run into this issue, this is one very good way of fixing it. The next thing we're going to do is showing you how to replace this arm animation with another animation. It's relatively simple as well. So, we'll minimize this. You'll have your other animation where you want to take it from. We've got this here. It's got Goku Black's stance in. Drag it into here. You get this. Edit with Notepad. Do the same thing. Alt 0. Open this. Open this. We'll be using this one here. So, we'll open this. Go on this. And we'll need to edit the right arm. So, we need to look at this section here where it's got all the right arm and right hand animations. We won't touch the shoulder. What we'll do is we'll click here, go down to R, arm row, select there. Wait, no, arm helper, sorry. Then we'll just copy that. Then what we need to do is go back to the xenoxml, and we find the same place as before. So we'll go from R, arm 1, and then go to R, arm helper, and then we'll simply just paste. For now we don't need to worry about that sort of thing, since this is, for example, you will have to paste that back in. But as you can see, we've got this here now. So we'll just save that, minimize, go back to the xenoxml, drag this in, we'll get an updated one. We'll have to close this again, reload xenoxml's models, reload the animation, and you should see that the animation has a new arm animation. So he has the arm animation of Goku Black. It will spaz out a bit at the end, but this is because this the main xenoxml animation is longer than the Goku Black animation. Most of the time you want to make sure the animations have along a similar size keyframes, but that's how you successfully add in new animations onto different bones. Alright, this was Gucci King. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with some more tutorials. Sorry I've been slow, it's just a lot of busy schoolwork, all that kind of thing. But thank you again for watching. Peace.